Hi, I'm Clint Cantwell, grill master for Omaha Steaks, and today we're grilling up a roast on the grill. This 3-pound roast that I'm going to season with kosher salt, cracked black pepper, and I'm going to give it a nice liberal rub down with extra virgin olive oil. Not only does it keep the meat from sticking to the grates, it also adds great flavor. And then we'll slice it up. It's going to be medium rare and a beautiful roast beef. So we'll get the oil on there. Not a lot, about a half of a tablespoon. Just to give it a nice shine. There's no real fat on this, so you're not chewing a ton of fat. The black pepper, again, this will be about a half a tablespoon of cracked black pepper. A little more salt. So that's about 3/4 of a tablespoon of kosher salt. And this is ready to roll. I'm going to do it at 275 degrees over indirect heat on my smoker. You could also do it hot and fast on your grill over high heat. You'll get the grill marks on there, but I like to do it lower and slower until it reaches 145 degrees for medium rare. That way the smoke really permeates. You can see this is a thicker cut of meat, so you want your guests to really taste that smoke flavor and let them know that you didn't do it in the oven, you did this roast beef on the grill. Let's get it on and get it cooking. Okay, so our roast beef is just about done. It's at 147 degrees, so a little over the 145, but it's still right in that medium rare area. We're going to take it over, let it rest for 10 minutes, and then slice it. Our roast is done. It's rested for 10 minutes so the juices won't escape from the meat. They've reabsorbed. We'll slice it up. Cut it a little thinner if your guests prefer. My wife always likes the thicker slices of roast beef. But it looks beautiful. You got that smokiness, nice medium rare pinkish color in the center. So that's our grilled roast beef, a very simple salt and pepper rub, cooked at 175 degrees. It's medium rare, it looks beautiful. I know that my wife and kids are going to enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the video and join me again soon. Thank you very much.